Hi everyone, I'm Gemma from Preston Baker in York. Thanks for watching today. We're going to kick off the new year with a bang and introduce this fantastic 4-bedroom detached house to the market in York. I'm currently standing on Crescent in Copmanthorpe, a really desired location. To the front of the property we have off-street parking for roughly 3 cars, and there's also the addition of a single detached garage. Let's go in and take a look around. So we're now standing in the heart of the home, the dining kitchen room. It's a fantastic size. It's a modern fitted kitchen with built-in appliances. So we have a double oven, a gas hob, a fridge freezer, and there's also the addition of a built-in dishwasher and the washing machine. Again, it's a fantastic size, perfect for a family or for entertaining guests. So just off the kitchen, we have this beautiful garden room. It's gas central heating and overlooks onto the lovely rear garden. So to the front of the property, we have the lounge. Again, it's a really spacious, inviting room. We have a bow window to the front and the addition of an electric fireplace. So as we approach the first floor, the property offers 4 generous bedrooms and a family bathroom. Let's go and take a look. So I'm currently standing in the master bedroom. It's a really great size space. It's really light, and there's the addition of built-in storage and the vanity unit. So here we have the second bedroom, and again, it's a really generous size. We also have the built-in storage and access into the loft. The current owner uses bedroom 3 as a home office, but it would also be perfect for a family and a child's bedroom. It also has the addition of a walk-in wardrobe. So this is the 4th single bedroom, and again, you have ample built-in storage, really light room, perfect for a family. The family bathroom is a really generous size. It's a 4-piece suite with a spa bath and a separate shower unit. So to the rear of the property, we have this beautiful enclosed garden. It's completely private. We have the block paved patio area, a lovely lawned area just behind me, and you can see all the way around we have the really tall hedging. There's also the addition of a double shed. Copmanthorpe is a really desired area. It's got fantastic schooling, plenty of local amenities, and great road links onto the A64 and into York city centre. So could this be your new home? To avoid disappointment, act quick, call the York branch to arrange a viewing today.